Ducati Panigale V2 now available in an all-new black on black livery. The Panigale twin flaunts a simple design and clear-cut lines, with sophisticated electronics that make it equally high performance and enjoyable on both road and track. Mechanically, the bike remains the same with its 955cc Superquadro L twin-cylinder engine, making 155 horsepower at 10,750 rpm and 104 Nm of torque at 9,000 rpm. The Panigale V2 features the 43mm fully adjustable Showa BPF forks at the front and fully adjustable sax unit in the rear, with aluminium single-sided swing arm. For braking, 320mm semi-floating dual discs in the front with radially mounted Brembo monoblock M432, 4-piston calipers and 245mm single disc in the rear with 2-piston calipers. The bike is also equipped with full LED lighting, 4.3-inch color TFT display, sax steering damper, and various rider aids including power modes, riding modes, Bosch cornering ABS, Ducati traction control, wheelie control, engine brake control, auto tire calibration, and an up and down quick shifter. The bike has a curb weight of 200 kilograms and a seat height of 840mm.